What's up, everybody? Welcome to another tutorial. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe for new videos. Alright, so let's start. Today we're going to be demonstrating how to rip your DVDs and Blu-rays for your media server. So the program that you're going to be using today is MakeMKV, which is a free program while it's in beta, and a lot of people think that it's going to be in beta for forever. So download your copy at makemkv.com, go to download, and that will then install that. Now let's go get our beta key, which will unlock the full functionality. So to do that, make sure you're on makemkv.com and go to the forum. And you will see that one of the topics is news and announcements, so you want to go there, and then go to MakeMKV is free while in beta. You want to click select all on the code and do Control-C to copy, or right click and press copy. Now at this point you're going to open up MakeMKV, and it'll take a second to load the process. And there we go. Since I am just going to register this beta key now, it says that the application version is too old, but click on register, do Control-V or right click and paste to enter your registration code, and hit enter. It'll say, thank you, please restart the application. So then you're going to launch it again. By the way, if the registration prompt didn't pop up for you, go to File, go to Help and click on Register. You don't need to purchase it, just click on Register and enter that key. Now is the time where you put your DVD or Blu-ray in. I already have a DVD in. Quick reminder that you should be doing this for personal use only in your home. And once it's loaded, you'll see a logo like this, or it will be Blu-ray if it's a Blu-ray. And click on that and it will open the DVD disc or the Blu-ray disc. And what it's going to do is download the key for the copy protection. And it's gonna say opening the DVD disc and processing the titles. And the nice thing about this is it'll automatically filter out all the advertisements. As you can see, it says has a length which is less than 120, and it was skipped. So now it's just decrypting the video. And perfect, here we go. Now we're gonna compress this later, so don't worry about the 5.8 gigabyte size file. Now, I don't want any of the bonus features, I just want this movie. So I'm going to uncheck all of those except for the movie. The movie is the one with the longest chapters. And I'm going to make sure that this is saving where I want it to, and click on Make MKV. And it's going to ask you, this does not exist. Do you want to create it? And you're going to say, yes, I do. And now it's going to read your DVD and save it to an MKV file. While it's doing that, let's download the next program that we're going to use to compress this 5.8 gigabyte file, or however large your file is. What we're going to do is open up our web browser and go to handbrake.fr. That is handbrake.fr. And it's going to pop up with this Handbrake open source video transcoder. And what you want to do is click on the download link, and it's going to send it right to your downloads. Once that's downloaded, you can install that, and I'll be back after this completes. So, alright, you've done it. You've ripped your DVD. Now what do you do with this huge file that's on your computer? Well, you should have also installed Handbrake. Now what we're going to do is open up that file that it ripped in Handbrake. So what we're going to do is go to File. And we're gonna look for that place that we saved it. In that case, mine is under Chicago, and it's gonna scan that source. Now it says it's 1 hour and 53 minutes and 25 seconds. Alright, what we're gonna do to make this encode go faster is keep everything as it is. DVDs are in 480p SD. So let's go down to 480p and go to subtitles and make sure that the foreign audio scan is removed. Now what you want to do is just browse for your destination file. In this case, mine is going to be on my movies folder, which is in my videos library. Now I'm just going to put Chicago. Again, once more, you should not be doing this for commercial use or piracy. This should be for personal use only. Alright, now we have all this set up. We're going to click on Start Encode. And that's it. That's all you have to do to rip your DVD to your media server. Now you should be able to import this file into your media server, have it automatically tag, whatever you need to do to get it into your media server. But now we've ripped our movie. I hope this tutorial helped you guys out, and if it did, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.